Hi, this is my Wisniowski Garage door. Is 250 high, 250 wide, and this is the setup. The motor, the setup like this, and it seems like the motor cannot remember the lowest setting and the highest setting. That sounds like it's the problem, and even the tension upwards, it's too much. And I'll start with showing you this one. And I can put a small wire in the bottom. The pressure is upwards on this wheel. It's not down, it's upwards, the pressure. This is the setup. Let's pull this wire away. Whoops. So this is the free location displays, and I set it up like this. The wheel, the wires like this. From the wheel, it goes down to this one, and the wire goes in the holder over there. And from this side, it looks like this. And this is now at the highest point, and this one I'm using is, the wire is 270, I think, and if I release this one, it hangs freely like 8 centimeters above the top one, and that's it. And this is the label of the spring, and the wire is 265, I think I measured. And the setup on this side is the same way, from this wheel to that wheel, down to the spring is the same height over there, and like that.